I got a Mack rear. We're changing this. I gotta reseal this pinion flange here. It's leaking down right on the bottom there. It's leaking out. So I gotta pull this drive shaft off here. You got 4 round U-joints. So I gotta pull her on here, get that drive line off. I gotta take this pinion off, take the nut off, take the yoke off. Pull that seal out of there because we're gonna change the seal, and then I gotta get that housing off. Presses that bearing cap out of the U-joint. Just got to keep working it. Got to pull this yoke off next. I have to get a puller on that to pull that out of there. I had to use a puller on this thing. I had to stick it right in between the ears and start working it off there. Here's the side gear. Here we go here. I'm going to pull these shims off. These are shim to set your backlash on the side gear and the pinion. So I got to leave those on. I got to seal this thing up so it doesn't leak again because it was leaking pretty good. So I'm going to clean all that up. Alright, she's back in. I used anaerobic sealer, Loctite, 5/18 Loctite on that. Shims are all in, torqued them down. I gotta dig that seal out of there for the pinion and replace that and start putting this back together. I got the oil drain on the side cover here, the top end. I drain the oil on the bottom. we'll put new oil in it, clean it up, and when I do seals, I use a slide hammer. If I can get it in here, I'll drill a hole right in the side of that seal. Like that. And I'll grab my slide hammer. I'll try to thread it in there, like so. And then I'll just hammer that seal out. It's pretty simple. That's it. Alright, we got this U-joint back in, drive line's back on. We're going to fill it up through this side cover here. There's a fill plug there. Make sure you put your drain plug back in, it's on the back side. And that's it.